Double-hung windows. Warren, Michigan is a smart choice for homeowners in Warren, Michigan looking for dependable performance, easy ventilation, and long-term curb appeal. A licensed window installer. Warren, Michigan can help with residential window installation. Warren, Michigan, new construction windows. Warren, Michigan, and insulated window installation. Warren, Michigan, delivering a clean fit that supports comfort in every season. For properties across Macomb County, double-hung windows are a popular upgrade because they combine classic style with practical operation and strong energy savings. Double-hung window replacement. Warren, Michigan is one of the most requested home improvement services for older homes, rental properties, and remodeled spaces in the greater Detroit area. When you need affordable window replacement. Warren, Michigan, a local window company in Warren, Michigan can provide tailored solutions using vinyl double-hung windows, custom double-hung windows. Warren, Michigan, and energy-efficient double-hung windows that reduce drafts and improve indoor temperature control. Michigan window specialists understand local weather conditions, helping homeowners choose windows that perform well through snow, wind, and humid summers. Double-hung windows. Warren, Michigan is essential when windows stick, leak, rattle, or fail to operate smoothly. Professional double-hung window repair, house window repair, and Warren, Michigan house window repair services can address worn balances, damaged sashes, broken seals, and misaligned frames before the problem becomes more expensive. Whether you need double-hung sash replacement. Warren, Michigan, window hardware replacement. Warren, Michigan, or window frame repair. Warren, Michigan, a skilled double-hung window contractor can restore function and extend the life of existing windows. Window glass replacement. Warren, Michigan is often the fastest way to resolve damage from impact, storms, or seal failure without replacing the entire unit. Broken window repair and house window repair services are especially valuable for homeowners in Warren, Michigan who want quick results and cost-effective improvements. A trusted Warren, Michigan window contractor can evaluate whether the best option is glass replacement, sash repair, or full double-hung window replacement. Warren, Michigan, making sure your home stays secure, insulated, and visually appealing. Energy-efficient double-hung windows. Warren are a major upgrade for homes throughout Southeast Michigan window services markets, especially where heating and cooling costs continue to rise. Homeowners in Warren, Michigan energy-efficient windows projects often choose vinyl double-hung windows and triple-pane window options to improve insulation and reduce outside noise. With the right weatherproof window sealing and insulated window installation, your windows can help maintain a more stable indoor environment while supporting long-term savings. Window maintenance service is important for protecting your investment after installation, especially in climates like Warren, Michigan, where temperature swings and moisture can take a toll. Routine care from double-hung window specialists in Warren, Michigan can include checking weatherproof window sealing, tightening window hardware replacement components, inspecting frames, and addressing small issues before they become major repairs. Regular service from a local window company helps preserve performance, appearance, and energy efficiency across the entire home. Vinyl double-hung windows remain a top option for homeowners wanting low maintenance, durability, and strong value. Warren, Michigan vinyl double-hung windows are popular for home window upgrades. Warren, Michigan, because they resist moisture, require minimal upkeep, and pair well with both traditional and modern home styles. When installed by a licensed window installer. Warren, Michigan, these windows can improve ventilation, enhance natural light, and support better overall performance in residential window installation. Warren, Michigan projects. Custom double-hung windows. Warren, Michigan are ideal for homeowners with unique frame sizes, historic properties, or design preferences that standard windows cannot satisfy. A double-hung window contractor can measure carefully, recommend the right materials, and provide custom double-hung windows that match the character of the home while improving insulation and usability. For many properties in Greater Detroit window replacement jobs, customization is the key to achieving a seamless look and reliable long-term results. Double-hung windows. Warren, Michigan continue to be a strong investment for families, landlords, and property managers seeking reliable window solutions in Macomb County and beyond. From double-hung window services and double-hung window installation. Warren, Michigan, to double-hung window replacement. Warren, Michigan, and double-hung window repair. Warren, Michigan, The right team can handle every stage of the project with precision. If you need a local window company, affordable window replacement, or licensed window installer Warren, Michigan, choosing experienced Warren, Michigan window specialists is the best way to protect your home and improve its value.